Good morning, guys. It's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to try and make slime in a water bottle. But before we begin, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified every time I post. And after you guys have done those things, make sure you guys comment down below hashtag Danielle or hashtag Danielle Squad. So the ingredients we have today are Stay-Flow. This one's almost empty, so I just got another one in case. This container for after when we're done making this, some lotion to make it stretchy, pink food dye, some white confetti glitter, and white school glue. So let's get started. Also, you know how you use the stirring stick to mix it up? Instead, we have to shake it like this. So, this water bottle is empty, and I'm going to go grab something to help me with. Okay, so I got this funnel for the glue. I'm just gonna hold the funnel and pour the glue. Okay, now I'm just gonna hold this and let that go through it. And I will see you guys when I'm all done with the glue because it's going to take like 10 minutes. So, okay guys, so now that we got the glue, it is time to add in the lotion. I added in 5 pumps. Food dye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I need to find the cap. Okay guys, so this is the water bottle now, and it's pretty cool, I like it. So, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to put these in quite yet. Okay, I guess this works. This is confetti glitter BTW. Comment down below if you use holographic glitter, normal glitter, or confetti glitter more. I definitely use normal glitter more, but I like using holo and confetti. Okay guys, so we got a little bit of glitter all over, but you know that's okay. Now for the activator. This is liquid, so it should go faster. Guys, look at this really pretty hot pink. Comment down below if you think this is going to work or not. Being the confident girl I am, I think I am. It is going to work. Oh, also guys, thank you so much for 21 subscribers. I beat my brother, but go show him some love too, because he's only at 7 and I'm at 21, so... Oh my god, guys! I actually think I just made slime in a water bottle. What? It's not even sticky? Guys, we did it. Oh my god. I recommend you try this at home, and I also recommend, if you're trying this at home, I also recommend you do it over a container for the glue. Unless you're using not a gallon, but like a little 8-ounce bottle or something. Like a bottle like this. Here, 1 second. Okay, that's all we're gonna get out of there. A bottle like this. A 6-ounce bottle of like clear glue or school glue. Or bigger. You could just take this and go like that and just squeeze it. Okay, so this definitely still needs some more mixing, so let's do that and mix it all up. I was going to use green, but then I found my pink dye. Guys, I have some sad news for you. So, not when I was camping, but when I was supposed to vlog before I went camping, I did a mini slime smoothie challenge. It didn't upload. So, in a few days, we're going to do a mini slime challenge. Okay guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified every time I post. And this slime kind of turned out on a scale of 1 to 10. I'd rate this a 7. Also, in my next video, we will do shoutouts tomorrow. And I'm just going to tell you guys what tomorrow's video is to get you hyped, because tomorrow I'm going to do a DIY slime video. I'm going to teach you guys how to make DIY watermelon slime. So that's going to be pretty fun. I'm excited to film that with you guys. And I will see you tomorrow with a DIY. Peace out.